so this is kind of a part 2 for this. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, so I'm recording the second lesson because y'all's test is a smidge different. I know that even if people were here and took notes, some people that have, certain sicknesses that keep them from school but not from social events. So, alright. An angle between 0 and 90 degrees would be D in acute. Number 2, lie on the same plane. Not to give out all the secrets, but I think the secret is in the name itself. Three points on the same line. I don't think it's a ray. I don't think it's a plane. Should be, oh man, there's another one of those secret words, collinear. So secret's out on some of this vocab. Now, again, we're going to have 3 of these tomorrow. It could be any of those words. Some of y'all will be like, but we hadn't had some. It's up to you to prepare. That's not a secret. Okay, I've said that since day one. It's up to you to, do that. All right. So, yes, I do know it goes for part 2. It goes from number 3 to 6. That's no secret. I just kind of deleted 2 and just left it. So, addition, let's see. I wonder on Friday's work, this first problem on part 2, I wonder what that kind of looked like. It's a secret. We're not going to tell you. So it looked something like this. You okay over there? We got somebody. I don't know if they're snorting. No, not you. Oh, we got 2 people. Didn't know if they're snorting, sneezing, gatekeeping, secret telling, whatever. All right. So that's the drawing. Now, you don't have to really, if you wanted to, you could label it, but I'm going to label it as I explain it. All right, this is x plus 10. This is x plus 14. And this whole thing is 22. Now, that's just, describing it. There is a blank that says equation. I think this is, I don't know how many days in a row this is that I have actually wrote an equation, the equation that we're dealing with in the equation box. Okay. Amelia, is there any secret where you put the equation?
I don't think so.
Okay, no big secret. Okay. So everybody should know that one. All right. So we combine like terms. Now somebody asked me earlier, can I go ahead? Yes, if you go ahead and you simplify the equation, just put it in the box. Okay, the reason why I have y'all put stuff in the box is because it makes it easier to grade and also makes it faster. That way, some of y'all, I've had students before, they have turned in their test. What did I make? I'm like, you literally just put it in the basket. Okay, I have had a parent email me after a class before, not here, but after a class, wondering why their student's test grade was not in Power School. I'm like, because I have other stuff to do. So, like, teach other kids that might listen better than your kid. All right, so Now, nobody, I think, freaked out today in this class. Other classes are like, oh no, it's a negative. Okay. If I were you, x's can be negative. All right, so that could be something I would write on my orange sheet for parts, 2 and 3, is that the x values can be negative, the other ones cannot. Okay, so like these have to be positive. All right, now plug it in. So AB, this is -1 plus 10. All right, what's funny is somebody read this too fast last class and they said, well, -1 times 10 is -10. I'm like, what? And they said it twice and they finally looked at it again and they're like, oh, I'm reading it wrong. It's context clues, man. All right. Do we have a way to check to see if this is right? Yes. Okay. How could we do that? That's right. It's no big secret. Add 9 and 13 and see if we get 22. I don't know if he's getting it or not. But, so, there we go. All right, is anybody totally lost with this problem right here? Are you allowed to ask questions during the test tomorrow? Yes. If you turn in a test and have issues or have questions and you don't ask them, I will probably shave your eyebrows. Okay? Or even worse, make them uneven. Where like one eyebrow is over here and the other eyebrow's over. Yeah. Oh. Whew. Now, I wonder if this problem's dealing with angles or lines. Y'all keeping secrets? It should be angles. It says angles. Okay?
Have your attention, please.
Nope.
All varsity and junior high cheerleaders need to meet in Miss Fleischer's room at 11:40. All cheerleaders need to meet in Miss Fleischer's room at 11:40.
All cheerleaders. All right. So, ABK is 42 degrees. KBC is this, and then all of it is 17x plus 8. Now, so you don't have to look, the stuff I'm highlighting, you don't have to label it on your drawing. That's me teaching, okay? But if you do, that's fine. All right. The drawing is the main thing. What's the drawing? Well, it's no secret. It's the one that's the drawing. All right. So we have 42 plus 12x minus 4 equals 17x plus 8. Oh man, this thing's keeping secrets. All right. All right. So, steps to solve, combine like terms. So I'm going to look over here. The only thing I'm combining is this 42 So this would be 38 plus 12x equals 17x plus 8. All right, I need to move stuff over. I would red rover, send 17x on over. Again, if you're having issues with which steps to solve, I highly suggest, writing down those steps to solve that I gave you last Monday. Kind of been trying to drill those into some of y'all's brains. Apparently I didn't get the concrete bit. Now, so we go, we solve, we're solving, and we're solving, and we solved it. All right, so we get 6 right here. All right, so KBC, that's this one right here. This is 12 times 6 minus 4. 12 times 6 equals minus 4. All right, so this is 68 what? Degrees. Yes, it does matter. All right. The big angle, 2 ways you could get that. If you could actually add 68 and 42, or you could do this. I just said solve it. I didn't say how. Okay. So 110. All right, any questions? Nope. Now don't be keeping secrets if you got a question. Now I need to know that thing, so you better spill your guts.
Tell the secret.
Yeah, tell the secrets.
Keep them for ourselves.
So you feel like you're being pointed? I think they're trying to tell you something. I think so. All right. Good on this one. Yep. So we got line stew here. Okay, nobody? All right. Yeah. Some people are used to seeing lines 2 followed by line PID. Okay, now.
I don't understand that joke.
So, I do remember. I remember how to keep a good secret. Now, do you want to know a good secret? I can't tell you because I'm a good secret keeper. All right, so all right. FYI, BT Dubs, TBH, hashtag. These have to be on here. Okay? Hey, little drummer girl, you don't have rhythm and it's getting annoying. Now, -5. All right, so we should get 10. All right, so TU 2. So 7 times 10 minus 38. All right, is it 32 degrees? No. get from here to here, we multiply by 2, we should get 64. All right, so that's my honors geometry practice test. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.